Joining us next is the team from SKM Egg Products, Export India Limited. They'll be investing 750 crores, creating 500 jobs in Erode and Karur. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a space that will focus on the establishment of environment-controlled poultry farms and manufacturing of egg value-added products. Welcoming the team from Pallava Group to join us next. Team Pallava Group, ladies and gentlemen, celebrating their investment of 1,000 crore rupees, creating 1,100 jobs. They have their facility being set up in Virudunagar that will be focusing on the manufacturing of man-made fibers. May we kindly welcome Sulochana Cotton Spinning Mills Private Limited. Their investment will be a total of 500 crores. They will also be generating 3,500 jobs in the Pudukkottai Tirupur space. Manufacturing of recycled man-made fibers will be their prime focus. HL Mando Anand India Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, globally headquartered in Korea, will be investing a total of 310 crores, creating 280 jobs within the Kanchipuram district. They'll be primarily focusing on automotive components. HL Climove India Private Limited, joining us next for a formal exchange of the MOU, will be investing 205 crores, creating 210 jobs. They're headquartered globally in Korea as well. Their facility in Tamil Nadu, that's going to be in Kanchipuram, will be looking at the manufacturing of automotive electronics. Team MAS India Clothing Private Limited, joining us next, will be investing a total of 880 crores, creating 7,000 jobs across multiple districts. They are globally headquartered in Sri Lanka, and their centers in Tamil Nadu will look at manufacturing of advanced apparel, textiles, and wearable technology. Next on stage, we invite the team from In the interest of time, if we may kindly request you to put your hands together as we welcome the team from GWC Data AI, ladies and gentlemen, who will be creating 1,005 jobs in the Krishnagiri district. Their focus is going to be on AI systems integration and solutions delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Vetri Tamil Nadu Investment Conclave 2026, witnessing the formal exchange of MOUs that are truly setting us on the path towards an incredible load ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Nextra Data Limited investing 1,417 crore rupees, generating 1,244 jobs. They've got a new unit coming up in Trichy. They're also going to be expanding their unit in Chennai with the development of hybrid hyperscale and edge data centers. A wonderful reminder of the confidence that they have shown within the state. Scalene Live Protect Private Limited, next on stage, will be investing 750 crores, creating 2,450 jobs across multiple districts in Tamil Nadu. They're going to be manufacturing of biogas. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome the team from Green Signal Biopharma Private Limited. They'll be investing 130 crores, creating 120 jobs with their center in Tiruvallur. Manufacturing of vaccines will be their primary focus. Team LG Equipments Limited, joining us next, will be investing 325 crores with 420 jobs being generated in the Coimbatore region, where their facility will be set up. Manufacturing of compressors and automotive garage equipment will be their focus. As we extend our congratulations, if we may welcome the team from Polyhose Group to join us next. 1,010 crores being invested, 1,500 jobs being created across districts in Tamil Nadu. They'll be looking at the manufacturing of hoses, tubing, and rubber products. Joining us next is the team from Gen Robotic Innovations Private Limited. 150 crores being invested, 1,000 jobs being created in the state of Tamil Nadu. Gen Robotics is an Indian startup, ladies and gentlemen, that's developed the world's first robotic scavenger, and they're scaling in Tamil Nadu with the manufacturing of robotic equipment for sanitation technology, medical and mobility applications, and defense. Welcoming the team from Ascendas First Space Development Management Private Limited next, who are going to be setting up an industrial park. We extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at Gen Robotics. Congratulations to the team at Gen Robotics. Ascendas First Space Development Management Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, will be setting up an industrial park with an incredible investment of 1,000 crores, also creating 1,000 jobs, globally headquartered in Singapore. They're going to be setting up their facility in Tiruvallur. Cell Bios Healthcare and Life Sciences Private Limited will be investing 150 crores, creating 250 jobs. They have centers coming up in Dindigul and Krishnagiri that will be focusing on the cell and gene therapy products manufacturing. RB Wovens Private Limited will be investing 675 crores, generating 3,500 jobs in Virudhunagar, where their facility will be set up. Their primary focus will be manufacturing of home textiles. Trusted Aerospace Engineering Private Limited will be investing 1,000 crores, creating 3,000 jobs, ladies and gentlemen. Their existing unit in Kanchipuram will be expanded. Alongside that, they're also setting up a new unit in Vellore, manufacturing of high-precision aerospace, semiconductor and medical device components. Team Wu Young Automotive India Private Limited will be on stage next. They're globally headquartered in Korea. They'll be investing 160 crores, creating 250 jobs. Their center in Tamil Nadu will be set up in Tiruvallur, and it is the very first in the state. They'll be manufacturing automotive components. We extend our heartiest congratulations. Acronol Life Genomics Private Limited on stage next will be investing a total that amounts to 210 crores, creating 210 jobs with their facility in Chengalpet that will look at the manufacturing of molecular diagnostics, genomics and precision medicine products. Trump Metamation Private Limited making their way to celebrate 100 crore investment and a 350 employment opportunity list. Ladies and gentlemen, they are globally headquartered in Germany, and their center in Kanchipuram will look at the expansion of their global capability center. Welcoming GGB Battery India Private Limited as they invest 200 crores, creating 300 jobs. Their facility in Thoothukudi is the first in Tamil Nadu. We all know they are globally headquartered in the United States, and this facility in Chennai in Tamil Nadu will be looking at the manufacturing of zinc bromide batteries for battery energy storage systems. Yala Manchili Automobiles Private Limited will be investing 75 crores, creating 100 jobs in the Sivagangai district, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. They'll look at the manufacturing of EV three-wheelers. May I kindly welcome INZI Controls India Private Limited. Globally headquartered in Korea, they're going to be investing 240 crores, creating 225 jobs as they focus on the manufacturing of EV and automotive components with their center in Tiruvallur. Techno Activewear Private Limited will be investing 130 crores, creating 500 jobs with their brand new facility in Erode, looking at the manufacturing of functional activewear. Ladies and gentlemen, NDR Metro Rise Private Limited will be setting up an industrial park with an investment of 465 crores, creating 1,000 jobs. Their facility will be set up in Kanchipuram. Kinesis Semiconductor Wire Solutions India Private Limited will be investing a total of 193 crores, creating 214 jobs. They're looking at their center in Malaysia, globally headquartered in Malaysia. This is also their first in the state. Kinesis is establishing India's first localized semiconductor bonding wire manufacturing facility. Next on stage, Big Pro Solutions Private Limited investing 443 crores, creating 350 jobs with their center in Krishnagiri, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. They'll be looking at the manufacturing of reliability and failure testing systems. May we kindly welcome the team from Richport Technology Private Limited as they celebrate an investment of 130 crores, creating 72 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Singapore. Their center in Tamil Nadu will be in Krishnagiri, manufacturing of surface treatment and precision cleaning